Let's understand this. Behavioral question, the purpose of behavioral question is to understand your problem solving capacities and your personalities, your traits, your reality, genuineness, all that will be tested during the behavioral interviews. When I ask a question about your job responsibilities, you can talk anything like I have handled this, I have handled 100 number of people, I have handled Java excellently. All that stories you can cook it up, fabricate, right? But in a behavioral question, you have to explain a scenario, a time based scenario, a real time scenario where you have to give a right picture. Otherwise you'll get caught on not building a story, right? So a behavioral question is a time based or situation based question where you have to explain a past scenario where you have undergone certain experiences, right? So the questions will be like, what were the challenging times, or who is the toughest customer and how did you handle it, right? So for this kind of questions, I cannot cook a story immediately. Only when I have a experience, I can tell about the toughest customer and what kind of experience I have undergone, what new element I have added to solve that problem. All that I can explain, right? Otherwise, I can't even explain. I cannot just lie or cook a story just in an interview and then tell a story, which will backfire me, right? Only when you have experience, you can tell a flow of story the start to end will be a realistic story. And if at all you don't have an experience, you can't even tell a decent flow of communication. That's how the catch point is. If you don't have an experience on certain aspects, the behavioral interview will be a quite backfiring element. Rather, in the preparation of resume itself or preparing for an interview itself, you think of various situations where you have challenged with multiple scenarios and use a method of storytelling on, okay, if it is a question about how did you handle the very toughest situation, then you think of a situation where your manager was not present and how did you handle that particular situation. Okay, so say for an example, my manager was on leave. I had a very minimal information and I had a lot of dependency on my boss, but manager was on leave for a couple of days. So I called off all my staff, sat and discussed on what are all the major elements to solve, what are all the priorities to solve this issue for next 1 week. And then I prioritized and closed with the collaboration with other people. That is how you have to present it, right? This is one behavioral question, and most of the questions in behavioral questions will be asked about time, cost, and effort based questions, like how you saved the time, how do you sorted a cost, or how did you handle the effort based, how come new challenges have been solved with the available resources. Those kind of questions will be posted to you so that you can relate to your past experience and give a flow of communication about the past experience. That's how it should be handled.